As technology rapidly progresses, online meetings have become a major trend. Tencent Cloud Conference (TCC) is suitable for exhibitions, forums, speeches, business negotiations, and more. It digitalizes the entire traditional conference experience, allowing events to be conducted and attended online. Through its powerful online conference system, you can efficiently build dedicated desktop websites, HTML5 pages, and WeChat mini programs, in addition to Tencent Cloud's industry-leading offerings for digital sign-in, OCR scanning, ASR, and other AI technologies. TCC provides each exhibitor with a management console that allows online booth customization for offline exhibitions and online virtual exhibitions. Live streams support over 500,000 concurrent viewers, with smooth broadcasting to over 200 countries and regions. Live streams, video on demand, and pre-recorded broadcasts can be viewed via mini programs, HTML5, and other platforms. Allow list access controls, comments, giving likes, and more features can facilitate your work. Smart AI translation and real-time subtitling for video conferences. Recognize and translate Chinese and English, smoothing cross-language communication. Smart AI customer service bots are built on big data, deep learning, and a massive user knowledge base of Tencent, cover multiple languages and different domains. Business matching and negotiation system enables business negotiations, supply and procurement matching for different parties. You can initiate an online meeting with a single click to facilitate deal-making. Multi-dimensional big data analytics can generate reports to visualize data and help understand your users' profiles for better decision-making. Tencent Global Digital Ecosystem Summit, Global Tourism Economy Forum, and the 4th World Intelligence Congress all leveraged TCC solutions to innovatively carry out content in their official websites and mini programs. With live streams embedded in mini programs, the whole process was equipped with packaged live broadcasts, and content was distributed in delayed streams, ensuring the security of live content for the conferences and achieving global media coverage. Rooting in Tencent's years of experience in internationalization and digital services, TCC has now reached customers in over 200 countries and regions around the world. Tencent Cloud Conference, empowering your future.